So the fruit is in the tree. But you can't get to it without going through the water. Or whatever that is.
Get boiled or eaten by piranhas or something. Follow the flame. I think that's how we get there. But I don't know how I'm supposed to make that jump. I mean, it's doable, but I don't have my usual explosiveness. Oh, no! Oh, wow! Yes! Martha! Oh! Martha! Oh. Martha!
Oh, it's really heavy.
You okay? Give me your hand. There you go. Oh. 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 Wait a second. What?
The hell, man?
Oh my God!
The hell, man?
Oh my God! Fridge?
Yeah. Martha?
Yeah.
Will you look at me? I mean, what am I supposed to do with this?
You read the map?
I don't want to read the map. I'm supposed to be her. Instead, there's actual hair growing out of my face.
Sorry. All bodies are beautiful, even this one.
Wait a second. Yeah! Oh! This is amazing!
Careful. Fridge.
Yo! This thing is insane!
Be careful. That body is not a toy.
No, it's a machine. And on top of that, boobs.
Touch my boobs and I will murder you.
Too late. It was literally the first thing I did.
Ew. Hey, don't do that. Let's take this Jumanji berry and go meet them.
Relax, girl. I'm trying that flying acrobat thing you did.
Don't.
Check this out.
We have the berry. It's not necessary.
Hey!
Wait.
Ah!
Fridge, be careful. I am telling you that body's a weapon.
Whoa.
You don't even know what it's capable of.
This is amazing!
That body's a loaded gun.
Yeah, and this gun's about to go off. Woo! Oh!
Oh my God. Fridge! Come here.
Oh my God! Damn it!
Okay, I got you.